Nancy, see me wetin I put to your nyash now. Where you can keep your nyash? No be to go dey rush dey do nyash o. Say because say one doctor don tell you say come, I go do am for you 3 million promo day. I go do am for you 5 million. You go dey rush dey do. You fit maintain na. Nancy, see me where your nyash before you go dey rush dey do nyash. My sister ask Nancy see me say where her nyash. Una know Nancy see me na our beautiful actress wey be say figure 8. Now know say over the years she carry nyash. This her picture wey dey my screen, so normal she dey well. Everybody dey think say, you know, say all these celebrity when they don go do nyash, do breast, come do belle, even self do their jaw, their tongue and everything. They'll call the lie they give us, say oh now weight loss. I've been doing weight loss training for 17 years, for 18 years, for since 1960. That's why I'm like this. Now lie. Now body they go do, they spend money. And you know what? It takes a lot to maintain it. In fact, it they cost some of them, they cost their health. Reporter who they get since yesterday be say Nancy Simeh don dey sick now. He don dey sick. He no dey fit dey, you know, he no dey fit again because of the nyash wey be say go acquire. No be say he no dey well. See am now. After he don remove the nyash now, the BBL now, he don dey well. See how she come fine for my screen. So wey if I go carry block go put for your waist, he say na nyash you dey fine. Sickness don come now, he don go remove am. See am now. How he come be you now?
Sure, I never knew that BBL is reversible. No. Wow, so they can remove this thing. Wow. So make una see am. So if you know you have it and it's disturbing you, better go and remove it. Look at how beautiful this lady looks. She looks more beautiful than when she put that nyash. It doesn't fit you. This is another extra load. So and it's not easy to maintain. So if you can't maintain it, those that did it already, if you can't maintain it, please go and remove it since it's reversible. I didn't know before. Thanks for watching.